Here you can see some more questions of the same topic on the board. Let us discuss these questions. We have here IQ of a person is given by the formula. We are given here some formula, that is mental age upon chronological age into 100, and we are given IQ between 80 to 140 for a group of 12-year-old children. This is its chronological age. Find the range of their mental age. So how will we proceed? We will be having first of all IQ given as 80 between and 140. This is according to question. We can simply have this. And the formula for this IQ is given as mental age upon chronological age into 100. So we are given here 12-year-old children, that is its chronological age. So we will substitute chronological age as 12 and we will simplify it to get the mental age. How? We will be multiplying throughout by 12 by 100. This is just reciprocal of it. Less than mental age, less than equal to 140 into 12 by 100. Less than NP and less than, this is here 16.8. So the mental age, range of mental age, their mental age will be between 9.6 and 16.8 years. Now moving to the next question. We had in drilling world's deepest hole, it was found that the temperature T in degrees Celsius x kilometers below the Earth's surface, this is given, was given by this relation T in terms of x. X is kilometer below the Earth's surface. As we are going down the Earth's surface, we are having temperature in terms of this x, where x is this. This is a condition given on x. X was your kilometer distance between below the Earth's surface. Now at what depth the temperature will be between 155 degree and 205 degree Celsius. So to proceed it, first of all we are given the range of temperature between 155 degree centigrade and 205 degree centigrade, and we want to find at what depth, means we want to find the relation or range for x. So what we'll do, I'll substitute this as 30 plus 25 times x minus 3, that will be yours between 155 and 205. Now after simplifying, you see this is 30 plus 25x minus 75 is this, which is further 25x minus 45, 155 degree to 205 degree. Now further this 45 adding to all, 155 plus 45 less than 25x less than equal to 205 plus 45. This 25x becomes between 200 and 250. So we have x is lying between, dividing both sides throughout by 25. This is 8 and 10. Now x is representing kilometers below the Earth's surface. That means at what depth? Depth will be between 8 kilometers and 10 kilometers. This is just the required depth beneath the Earth's surface as this much. Now the next question we have, find all pairs of consecutive and their odd, then or positive integers. We are having integers which are positive, that means natural numbers, it may start from 0, and consecutive odd, so 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Both of which are smaller than 10 such that their sum is more than 11. We are given here two conditions. One is both of which are smaller than 10. This is the first condition, and the second condition is sum is more than 11. So let us do the question by supposing let's assume that the two consecutive positive integers be odd positive integers be x and x plus 2. Because it is consecutive and odd, so I will have to take x and x plus 2, not x and x plus 1. Now according to equation, both of which are smaller than, that means x is less than 10 and next number is also less than 10, smaller than 10. So this x less than 10 and x less than 8. So I have told you, when there is and, we take the common or intersection. So from here we can see that if a number is less than 8, then it is automatically less than 10. So from these, or you may write combining, we may have. And the next condition is sum is more than. Now the sum x plus 2. This is sum of two numbers is more than 11. This is more than 11. If the word is at least 11, then we put greater than equal to. If it is more than, so we just put the greater than sign. From here, 2x plus 2 is greater than 11. So 2x is greater than 9. So x is greater than 9 by 2. Now combining these two inequalities result, we will be having 9 by 2 less than x less than 8. This is 1 and 2. Combining from 1 and 2. Now x is an odd positive integer and it is lying between 4.5 and 8. So x can take values 5 and 7 because it is odd as well as positive integer. So it can take values 5 and 7 between these two numbers. So required pairs. Now this is the value for x and the consecutive numbers are x and x plus 2. So required pairs will be, when it is 5, the next number will be 7. So this is one pair. And when it is 7, the next number will be your 9. So this is the answer. Now moving to next question, 8. We have a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board. We are having a board size 91 centimeter. So we can have a small figure like this, in which I am having a piece of board that is 91 centimeter long. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. We have the second length, shortest say 3 centimeter longer, and the third is twice. So if we assume the shortest length, then I can find the other shortest length of the board. We want to cut it into 3 pieces, like the shortest length of the board of piece, shortest piece, that is your x centimeter. Then second length of second piece. Second piece I can have, this is yours, here 3 centimeter longer than shortest. So this is 3 centimeter longer than, so we'll be adding 3. So this is your second piece. And the third length of third piece will be yours twice as long as the shortest. So this is your 2x. Now what are the possible lengths of the shortest piece of the third piece is to be, if I take this condition separately, first of all, this board is of length 91. So this length plus this length plus this length must be less than equal to 91. Why less than equal to? Because we can have some part which is remaining also. So according to question, we have x plus 3 plus 2x must be less than 91. Less than equal to, because the whole board can be used. So this is your 4x plus 3 less than equal to 91. So 4x less than equal to 88. So x less than equal to 22. Moving to second condition, here we are also given, if this last part, third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. Third piece length is 2x. Also we have 2x at least, so greater than equal to This is longer than the second. Second is x plus 3 and 5 centimeter longer, so plus 5. As you read the question, you convert it into mathematical statement. The same third piece length is at least is greater than equal to 5 centimeter longer, to add 5 to be added. Then the second part length. So from here 2x greater than equal to x plus 8 and x greater than equal to 8. So from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 we have 8 less than x less than equal to 22. So minimum length of the what are the possible lengths of the shortest piece? Minimum length of shortest piece is 8 centimeter and maximum length of shortest piece is 22 centimeter. It means we can take the length of shortest piece between 8 and 22, so that this 91 centimeter both the conditions are satisfied. Thank you.